Have you ever scrolled through social media, seen someone your age driving a new Range Rover or vacationing in Bali for the third time this year, and wondered, how on earth are they affording this? The math just doesn't add up. You earn a decent wage, yet your bank account tells a completely different story. Here is the truth nobody on your feed admits. Most of them aren't rich. They're broke, just dressed in designer clothes. Australia is sitting on one of the highest household debt levels in the developed world. The average household owes around 210% of its disposable income. For every dollar taken home after tax, they owe $2.10 to someone else. Half of all workers live paycheck to paycheck, and over 40% of Aussies have less than $1,000 in savings. One minor emergency or one missed shift, and the entire illusion collapses. So how do they do it? They are borrowing the lifestyle. Personal loans, credit card debts, and buy now, pay later services are being used by 1 in 3 people to split the cost of everything from clothes to everyday groceries. Social media has rewired how we measure success. Instead of comparing yourself to your neighbors, you're now comparing your everyday life to a globally curated, financed highlight reel. That shiny new car might be on a heavy lease, eating up their take-home pay. That luxury trip is likely sitting on credit cards, and the home renovation might be a dangerous redraw against a mortgage that's already in stress territory. This is the lifestyle inflation trap. Every time income goes up, spending tends to rise faster. Someone earning $180,000 often ends up with the same net worth as someone making $80,000 because they spend all their extra cash trying to look wealthy. True wealth doesn't need a caption or a hashtag. It sits quietly, compounding in an index fund, while the fake rich crowd pays massive interest on a holiday they took years ago. Real money in Australia is usually boring. It looks like a paid-off car, a modest home, packing your lunch, and consistently putting a bit extra away without telling anyone. The wealthiest people are rarely the loudest. They understand that every dollar spent on appearances is a dollar that cannot buy freedom. When you strip away the luxury items, what people truly want is security and peace of mind. Buying that feeling on credit accomplishes the exact opposite, leaving you more anxious, trapped, and dependent on the next paycheck. Stop competing with people whose actual finances you have never seen. You're comparing your real financial reality to someone else's edited marketing campaign. It's a game you cannot win. Instead, focus on your own private scoreboard. Track your net worth, watch your emergency fund grow, and celebrate your debt falling. Nobody will leave a fire emoji on those numbers, but in 10 years, you will have genuine choices, while others are still trapped refinancing an illusion. The Australian dream isn't dead, it's just been hijacked by people selling a version that requires you to stay in debt forever. Opt out of the comparison game, spend deliberately, invest consistently, and let the years do the heavy lifting. Stop asking how they afford it, and start choosing your own financial freedom.